Okay, we're like in the dark now. Okay, we can't. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. This is a very impromptu video because I am actually currently making my dinner right now when the FedEx truck showed up. So I know it's been a while since I have done an unboxing, and that is what I have for you today. So this plant comes to me from North Shore Tropicals, which is one of my favorite places to order from, and it is here in the Vancouver area where I live. I live just outside of Vancouver. And with the exception of one plant that just broke my heart, that I'm still trying to save, but I don't think I will. I've had absolutely no issues with any of these plants and anything I've gotten from there, and they will continue to be one of my most favorite places to order from. But that being said, the plant that I have in this box right here, is one that I have been watching on their website for a really long time. I kept getting things in front of it, but I also knew that it was something that I had always wanted to get. So I bit the bullet and I got it, and we're going to check it out right now. Oh, I completely forgot to say, hi, my name is Steph. Welcome. I did already say welcome to my channel, but if you are new here, thank you for coming and spending some time with me. And if you are returning, thank you so much for hanging in there with me. Let's get into this box. Unboxings always make me so excitable. All right. Well, I've got a heat pack, which is, there's no more heat left. And I don't know if it's just me, but has anybody out there that, at least from here in Canada, that has been ordering plants online, have you noticed that a lot of the companies that you might be dealing with have now switched to FedEx for shipping their plants, which is awesome, because this did only take 2 days to get here, which is why I felt okay with ordering it in the winter. Plus, you know, it's here. So as usual, we get our little card and a little thank you. It's got the care tips on the back for the new plants. Yeah, sorry, I just started thinking about the other plant that I got, my invoice, and a whole hell of a lot of packing nuts. But they have also changed their packaging when they ship. So, it's taped in there. I'm hearing things, sorry. Alright. Loki, mind your manners. Oh. Alright. Okay, let's get this out of here. So, as you know, and many others also know, philodendrons, steroids in general, but philodendrons, probably my favorite genus, with monsteras so closely behind them. So this is indeed a philodendron. Indeed. Okay. I feel like it's been so long since I unboxed something. So giddy. I am definitely liking this silver insulated bubble wrap that they're putting the plants in. Honestly, I'm trying to make this quick, but it's not going to turn out that way. Okay. Are we in? Are we in? Okay. Oh. It's like one of those box in the box in the box gifts, but it's like a box and wrap and paper and oh, and there's the name of it right on there. They've actually never done that before either. Okay, okay. I don't want to possibly hurt a leaf. I feel kind of cold. Just want to love you. Oh, there we go. All right, we're so here. No. Okay, okay, okay. Now, this may not be a big thing to some of you, but it is huge for me because I have wanted this for so long. And I'm starting to have quite the collection of plants with this type of leaf shape. So, here is my Philodendron squamiferum. Look at that, look at those little leaves. But what I was wowing about is the inflorescence that I was not expecting. But, or is that just a leaf? Yeah, I don't even know. What is happening here? I'm so incredibly excited right now. Like so excited, so happy. Oh man. What makes me sad is that the plant that I'm trying to rehab that I got from them last month, and I didn't do an unboxing. And see, here's the thing. If I do not unbox the plant on camera, it dies. This one isn't dead yet, but it's just not great. Yeah. I got a Philodendron Florida Bronze. So very happy. Still trying to save what's left of it. Why can't I get into this? There's just too much tape. It's just not letting me in. The root ball feels really, really cold. But you know what? I'm gonna do this after. I wanted to take a look at the roots. I will add that later because all I want to do is get into this. And I did want this to be a short video. But you've never seen a girl so happy as I am right now. So this just makes me so unbelievably happy. All right, guys. So thank you. I'm just saying so very much right now. Thank you very much for being here. I did notice that I have hit that token 100 subscribers, and thank you so much for all of you that have subscribed and come on board. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. Like and consider subscribing to my channel. I'm just floored right now because oh, come on. Anyway, I hope you guys are all safe and well, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.